Hi, I'm Sean Hobson, one of 3M's authorized trainers, and we're talking about solution mixes for paint protection film installation. It's very important to get these right, and we recommend mixing them in a precise manner. So first of all, our slip solution we'll talk about. It's recommended to use Johnson's baby shampoo as your slip agent that you're going to put into the water. The reason is Johnson's baby shampoo is pure soap, doesn't have degreasers or other detergents in it that could create a problem with adhesive. And we're going to want to measure this specifically. We find that most installers actually just squirt a little bit in and try to guess at their mix, but that results in a very inconsistent install. We recommend actually measuring your soap with a syringe. So the measurement range is from 1 to 2 milliliters of shampoo in 32 ounces of water. Now this is good for a temperature range of between 70 and 80 degrees. If it's hotter than that, you may have to mix a little richer and increase your soap. You can use regular tap water, or if you have access to distilled water, that works well also. It's also recommended that you use warm water for your mix, and that will help relax the film and make it much easier to stretch. Now, your other solution is going to be an alcohol or a tack solution. This also has to be precisely measured. Now, the ratio that's recommended is about 25% alcohol, 75% water. And we'll be using 70% isopropyl alcohol. So in a 32-ounce bottle, the ratio will be 8 ounces of isopropyl alcohol. You can use the measurement on the side of the bottle. That goes in first, and that'll be followed by adding 24 ounces of water. Now, these ratios are important because these two chemicals need to be balanced. In order for the tack solution to work effectively, it has to be able to dilute the slip solution so that the film will stick. So if you have too much soap in your slip solution, the standard amount of tack solution will be ineffective. If you are precise and careful in mixing your solutions, it's going to result in more consistent installs and actually faster install times. And the end result will be more money for your business.